friends, today I want to show you some of my favorites from the new Spring in Kyoto set from Spellbinders. This set features Japanese themed dies, stencils, and BetterPress plates. Starting with the Cherry Blossom BetterPress plates, you have 2 flower plates, coordinating dies, and the sentiment Bloom Where You Are. I use these plates with my glimmer foil machine to make fan cards. Here's a look at the fan dies. You have 2 patterns to cut out the fan pieces for a layered look. The second card I made using the fan dies and BetterPress plates as well. My favorite die set of this collection are the Kokeshi dolls. This set has 2 different hair pieces as well as flower dies for the kimono, even a little fan for the doll to hold. I made this thank you card, and I kept the kimono simple with a hint of gold to match the background. The background was made using the Parasols BetterPress plate and gold foil. This collection also has a coordinating 5-piece stencil, and you could buy both of these as a bundle or individually. I made this Neko Cat doll card using the BetterPress plate and stencil. I really enjoyed this set and what I have made so far. If you want to get your hands on these, there are links in the description box below, as well as a link to my blog post with more details on each card. Thanks for watching. Bye!